Welcome to another episode of Tony's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make El Mariachi Mexican meatball soup. Excited to show you guys what we got going today. First thing we're gonna start with is making the meatballs. So we're gonna start with 1 pound of some ground pork, 1 pound of ground beef, 2 eggs, about a tablespoon of minced garlic, half cup of rice. You can either use dry rice or some leftover rice from the night before, fine diced yellow onion, some chiffonade on some mint, then of course the showstopper, the El Mariachi Blend by DJ BBQ, about 2 to 3 tablespoons, get that maximum flavor. Add a little bit more. Time to mix. All right, so we're rolling the meatballs here. You want about a 1/2 inch to 1 inch, depending on what size you'd like. Perfect little roll there. Then once we're all done, we'll get them into the refrigerator, and once we're ready to put them in the soup, we'll get them going. All right, meatballs are all rolled. We're gonna get them in the fridge, and we're gonna start making the soup. So now it's time to make the tomato sauce for the soup. So we're gonna start with the water. It's about a cup. Garlic. Tomatoes. Chipotle pepper and Ancho Pepper. And then some onions. Now we'll blend. All right, now that we have everything blended, we're gonna start making the soup. A little oil on the bottom of the pan. Spread it around. Use the sieve, and I'm gonna pour the tomato chili sauce into the sieve. So that now we'll get the meatballs into the sauce. We'll kind of let that cook in the sauce for about 5 minutes, and then we'll add the broth, and then it's the waiting game. Next step, get that broth in there. Then we'll get the potatoes and carrots. Do a nice gentle stir here. Make sure we don't break up the meatballs. Bring it up to a boil and then let it simmer for about a 1/2 hour. Awesome, we're gonna do one last little seasoning with the El Mariachi. Give it a nice stir, and then we'll plate it up. All right, now it's time to plate. So we'll garnish with some thinly sliced radishes, some avocado, some cheese, cilantro. It's time to eat. All right, now it's time for the taste test. Another great, easy dish to make at home. Thanks for watching, everyone. For more delicious recipes, go to Spiceology.com or find us on YouTube at Spiceology.